Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into my review of the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera with lens kit. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. This camera is designed to cater to both budding photographers and seasoned pros looking for a compact yet powerful option. Stick around as I break down its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your photography gear. Design and build quality. The Canon EOS R100 boasts a sleek and modern design that feels great in the hands. Its lightweight body makes it incredibly portable, ideal for travel or everyday shooting. The grip is comfortable, allowing for extended use without fatigue. The intuitive layout of buttons and controls makes it easy to navigate, ensuring that you won't miss a shot even in the heat of the moment. Image quality. Equipped with a 24.1MP APS-C sensor, the EOS R100 delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail and color reproduction. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or street photography, this camera excels in various lighting conditions, thanks to its impressive ISO range. Low light performance is particularly noteworthy, allowing for crisp images even in challenging environments. Lens kit. The included lens kit adds significant value to the overall package. With the Canon RF-18-45mm lens, you'll find versatility for a range of shooting scenarios from wide-angle shots to portraits. The lens produces sharp images with beautiful background blur, making it perfect for those artistic shots. The fast autofocus system works seamlessly with the lens, ensuring that you capture moving subjects with precision. Performance and features. The EOS R100 is packed with features that enhance your shooting experience. The dual-pixel autofocus system is fast and reliable, making it easy to track subjects in motion. The camera's continuous shooting speed of up to 4 frames per second is perfect for capturing action shots, whether you're at a sporting event or photographing wildlife. Additionally, the camera offers a variety of shooting modes, including creative filters and scene modes, which can help you experiment and find your unique style. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD makes it simple to shoot from different angles, whether you're capturing a low shot or taking selfies. Video capabilities. For those interested in videography, the Canon EOS R100 delivers excellent 1080p Full HD video recording. The addition of features like electronic image stabilization ensures that your footage remains smooth and professional looking. This makes it an excellent choice for vloggers or anyone looking to capture high-quality video content. User experience. One of the standout aspects of the EOS R100 is its user-friendly interface. The camera features a guided menu system that is easy to navigate, making it accessible for beginners. More experienced photographers will appreciate the customizable settings that allow for quick adjustments on the fly. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point, with the R100 allowing for a full day of shooting on a single charge. This is particularly beneficial for long outings or events where you may not have easy access to charging options. Pros and cons. Pros. Excellent image quality with a 24.1MP APS-C sensor. Lightweight and portable design. Fast and reliable dual-pixel autofocus. Versatile RF-18-45mm lens included. User-friendly interface for beginners. Good video capabilities with 1080p recording. Impressive battery life. Cons. Limited continuous shooting speed compared to higher-end models. No 4K video recording option. May require additional lenses for specialized photography needs. Conclusion. In summary, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera with lens kit is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to step up their photography game. It offers a great balance of image quality, performance, and user-friendly features, making it perfect for both beginners and more experienced photographers. If you're in the market for a versatile, compact camera that won't break the bank, the EOS R100 is definitely worth considering. Check out the link below for the latest deals, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and photography tips.